I think everyone's sleeping still. Might be an empty track this morning.
That would be nice.
Well, is it nice? Not really, I don't care.
Put the tire warmers back on.
Man, it's dark in the pit.
Bleed the brakes.
Bleed the brakes, yeah, it's good. Yeah, so anyways, let's get some light out here. I just did like one flying lap, and then I even had passed two guys in that flying lap. I did my fastest time at the track, a new record for me, 1:18.47. 1:18.47. Brand new tires. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. How's that rear looking right now? Yeah, just a little, not too bad, good, good. Oh, let's put some chain lube on first, bud. Can we do that? Alright guys, this is Marcel Irnie on Sunday. Oh, we're going racing. We got all these German toys in my competition today. The guy, Lee Cycle, been involved in racing forever. Serious competition. He's got a track record here. So far my fastest lap is a 1:18.0. And toys was a 1:18.0 as well, like within a tenth of a tenth of a tenth. There we go. Park that Schubert. This is going to be interesting. Some serious competition out here in Vegas. These guys ride all year long. Look, everyone's taking the wide inside lane. Fast lane, essentially. Here we are. All right.
Good job, dude.
Decent, decent. Oh, man, those guys are in the way. All right, that was a good race. Finished second. You know, some traffic was in the way, as you might have seen. Too much traffic. Either way, it's fun. One guy on the Gixxer was like really making it tough to pass. Like, I passed him a few times, but then I had to give it back because he's kind of, I don't know, doesn't want to let me pass. Cool. Yeah, that 6 laps is perfect, dude. When I was with Toy though, I was like, oh, there's no way I'm gaining on him at the last end. I was like, I'm hoping I could. Huh? That was in first? Oh, that was good. That was the number one. The champ. The champ was in front. Didn't even get a chance to battle with him though. Too much traffic. Damn Seattle traffic to go.
He didn't pull on you at all.
No. You'd probably be quicker because the person's just the problem. The bike goes better by itself.
Reach up there and grab those bars, dude.
Who's your favorite rider?
Me.
Hey, all right. What race is next? Anyway, Formula 1 is coming up, and I wanted to show you my boots. Check out the bottom. Yeah, I know. Cut. Oh, hello and welcome. World's best motorcyclist rider, Marcel Irnie, that's me. Okay, we're just running pump fuel, of course, and this is Formula 1, fastest of the fastest bikes that are allowed. So we got some carbon fiber wheels and stuff we're going against. Not my bike, but other bikes. Lots of gnarly stuff for sure. I'm on row 2, spot 2 again. Lock that helmet. My shoulder is sore. My knee is sore, but I can work through it. I can work through it. Is it KTM? No, Aprilia. Quick. Oh, I've screwed that up. Jeremy Toys in front of me. Lap record holder. Lost the rear. good, huh?
Nice work.
Oh man, I'm pretty beat. Oh, I lost the rear end on the high-speed corner. That was scary. Like 200K. Like, oh shit. All right, we're still recording. Awesome, awesome. Oh, hey Joe. Thank you, thank you. Glad you could make it. Anyways, I got second in the race, Formula One, behind Toy. Man, I almost had him in quarter one, huh?
Yeah, you did.
I was like, shit!
You were right there.
I knew he was going to cut across me, so I like emergency braked last minute. Oh, I love this helmet.
Yeah. You got it. Well, it got greasy, but we may have overcooked it on the way there. You may have gone out with too much heat in it.
Man, my right shoulder didn't take a beating.
Yeah. That's our problem. We're still
I try to rest my leg and my arms when I brake by like coming into the tank, but then you're so much closer to the handlebar, and instead of being like this, now it's like this, and you're like, ah!
What do you think?
You guys tied at all?
Well, yeah.
What was my fast lap?
I got a 16 at one time, but I mean, I don't know. We'll just have to see.
Yeah, my lap time wasn't even on. I forgot about that. Food between races.
Did you hear what they said on the intercom? Did you hear what they said about you on the intercom?
No, what?
Man, you go, Marcel and Irnie coming up here seriously making a statement against Jeremy Ford.
We're still going for a win. We got 3 second place finishes so far this weekend. All right, last race of the weekend. Something open Superbike.
1, 2, 3 cameras are good.
New tires on again. Yeah, yeah.
Be safe, have fun.
This is it. I'm so beat all week. 4 hours sleep every night. 4 hours sleep Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night. So I don't have much sleep. Holy shit. Last race, come on Marcel. I can try to win a race here and also try to finish the day in clean body work. Soft in that glitch. that guy's drifting. This guy's unbelievable. Shit, doesn't make like your team. Oh, last corner. I survived. Survived the weekend! Yeah! That was a good weekend! That's awesome. Oh man, thanks for coming out. Oh. Man. That guy's quick. Oh. Thanks, man. Oh. Oh. Well, that's the wrap. That's Superbike racing. The race weekend is over. So, got second in the race, did a 1:16.85 fast lap, so always improving, always improving. Oh, that's gotta be one of the best race weekends ever. Probably the last one for these boots. Yeah, it's got maybe one more race left in him. Oh. 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 All right, that's a wrap. We're packing up. Adios. That's Marcel Irnie at World's Best Motorcycles. WB Motors. Cheers. Video of this, but oh well. So we got Formula One expert second place. We got Super Stock expert second place. We got A Superbike expert second place. And we got the heavyweight solo, that 20 lap endurance race, second place. Welcome to Schubert World. Yeah. Oh, it's over. Pit is empty. Adios.